Alright, let's do some game development, I guess. And chill chat and chill music and stuff like that. Something like that. I don't have a whole lot of like chat topics thought. I've been busy actually doing work. I guess that will be the main. Just do work. We'll be tinkering with Godot and stuff. I guess in Krita to make more art. Get on my place. I guess the file manager is a fine position. Alright, it has been so busy. So busy like the game is. I have like a spoiler warned like a lot of the maps, but the map is pretty big and it's not like fully done yet. We'll try to get there. So, well, there is no intro, so I guess I'll work on the intro. But there aren't a lot of things. I guess I can run it. Like there are like option screens and stuff at least. And well, the actual game too. I guess I'll have to like delete the save file a ton. There is stuff. Oh, that is the other keyboard. Or the gamepad, I guess. Let me see. But well, the main thing is intro. Like there is no intro yet. There's just like this and then they teleport. So let's change that, I guess. Like this is where you start the game. Like this is a little bare bones too. And the lighting is a little bit of a work in progress. This is a little better than before, but still it's a little weird. Would be nice to have some light coming from the windows and stuff. Oh well. Oh well. I guess I'll be removing the autosave every time. Try to make a game this time that does autosave, so that you don't need to like, bother with the menus. So, well, the intro is nothing yet. Let me see. This game is done in a little bit of a weird way. Like animation editor is basically like the level plus one animation player. Let me see this first. I thought this was following the player, but maybe it doesn't. It's probably the background that does it, but not the foreground, which would be handy for actually testing the animations. Let me see this. Oh, I guess that doesn't do it either. Oh well, I can imagine the fades well enough. That's a little bit of an annoyance. Like these scenes are basically like an extra layer. Because I want everything to be an object in a way. Okay, anyway. This is like it's fading in. You can't see it, but it's fine. Okay. Bubble icon. I guess the bubble also like goes behind the things, which is kinda annoying. Might need to be fixed. Alright, so let's fix that first. Bubble. Probably find it, just set it. Ordering the index. I don't know, like 300 or something surely is enough. Like which direction doesn't work anyway? How does the index work? Higher will be displayed in front. Well, it should work then. Alright. Oh, there we go. Did I ever even save this? I guess I need to make animations for everything, but that's one of the downsides of doing it this way. Would have been nice to automate this, but I guess it's whatever. Just duplicate it. Kinda nice though that you can do these things in the editor. Then back to the cutscene editor. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we need to reload the animation. Those things changed. Oh, not this one. Little later. It's just super jumped in. Let me see. Probably it can be 2 seconds or something. The start needs to be nothing more. How this worked exactly. None of this. Maybe this is just 2 seconds. The characters have this like the Sims kinda communication method. Thinking about putting dialogue in, or like whether I would need to, but yes I don't in the end. Let's put hard for now. I'll change it later. None here. None at the start. Needs to be much later. Now it's here, but the cutscenes are like a minute longer or something, like there are 2 of them already. Need to make this and wanna do more, but other one will probably later. Okay, so now we want them to move, I guess. Let's duplicate all of these here. That's where they start moving then. Probably it will work like that then. Maybe the other way around. Probably this. We'll do like this kind of move and then I'll just set the position appropriately and it should work. So yeah, this is going to be typical work how I do these things. Nothing too fancy. Okay, movement mode. I'll want one point here. Okay, there. I'll go through this and then go here. A little bit of slow work, but at least it doesn't like take any blind guessing. You can see like what actually happens. You can play back here from here and then see like where she flies and then do adjustments. I think it's pretty decent, like just the timings are a little bit off maybe. Then need an animation here. Load left. A little bit late with the animation. I guess this part is a little bit slow too. Still a little weird to do this, but I can't really think of a better way to do this exactly. Make it continuous, I guess. Probably want like an extra point here. Oh, not the girl, but the fairy. Make the position like this. Maybe not quite. A little tricky. Also, like the animations are a little, like the playback is a little chunky, but that's how it is. Like you can basically like duplicate one of them, like here, to make sure that it like, animates properly. Let's make the end faster. Get the fairy to fly first and then this would probably be a little earlier too. Or maybe not. It's also finicky because I don't want to make a ton of animations. It will be problematic. It's probably fine, but this point is little weird. If I just override it. Retry. Nope, it's probably good enough for now. We'll stay there and then the girl. Probably fine to start moving at this point. Here, then animation duo. Cool, I guess. Here's the to walk. The girl is easier to animate because her animations are more straightforward. Speed is better. I don't know how to move this, like maybe six pixels or something, or not like that. Bit too much. It's pretty finicky. Okay. Just hold there. Maybe stay there like a little bit. Flip the direction. Walk. It's probably actually just stand here. The timing's actually off. The ball is too slow for sure. Would be kind of nice to do this with physics too, but it's problematic on its own way. Even the speed of the ferry might have to move slower and maybe start moving slower too. So maybe it doesn't matter even if they roll up a little bit. Duplicate this so it's easier to aim. Right here. Stand. Season. Okay, let's see. A little bit of an awkward pause without the area changing direction, so that might be a thing that needs to be done. Making the ferry move faster could be a thing too. Maybe a thing could solve some of the problems. Right. rid of this now. Alright. Middle part is very light. Kind of bothers me. Let me see. Let's wind up to this point. It's like slower, like here. Could try to speed it up, but no idea. Maybe it's kinda alright, I guess, if I just make it faster. Still be able to fly there before the animation changes too much, probably. Yeah, that's way better. A little chunky, but what can you do? Without going too wild with the extra animations. The stop is too long. Okay. Get rid of these and then she'll also stay there for a while. Okay. But now I'll have to tinker with particles, I guess, and probably graphics too. Okay, let me think. Basically, I want the fairy to summon a portal, like here or something. What is the best way to do that? Let's try to make some graphics. Give me a second. Make a new image. Right, then I'll save it to the right folder. Be done. Okay. Okay, let's get rid of this first, then. It's maybe possible to animate it in Godot or just have like a couple of frames and loop through them. Probably doesn't make sense to have it so like what is on the other side, because the other side is kinda the same for low reasons. because of how the Yuri likes to live. Just make some kind of blue portal first and can change it later then. Alright, let's make something like this and get the proportions right first. Okay. I made a portal directory here. Create new scene. Limited sprite. Because now we have this super junky blue placeholder. This will somehow probably involve like adding a script to this too. Like this will probably have particles too. There needs to be some kind of script that allows the animation player to control it. Alright, then let's open the level file. Level is just a lot of stuff. Actors as well. Basically any object that needs to animate or has like a save state basically. The portal. Nope, it's way too big. Or maybe it's okay. Maybe it's okay if this is like the full portal basically. Alright. The thing is that the portal needs to be in front of the level thing. Let me see, does this have an index? No. I guess like ultimately it doesn't matter that much. Like the overlay should be in a different layer, so the fade will be in front of the portal anyway. In other words, bam. I could kinda see this working even though it's very placeholder. I have like a little bit of animation for it. Could work, yes. It might be actually the easiest to just try the animation like inside the portal scene. We know that this is approximately the right size. Animation player. This project is just a ton of animation players. That's how it goes. we can sync like the whole thing to this animation, so it's... It needs a hidden animation for starters. Then it needs the basically cast animation. Just set everything to 1. This probably just make this 0 size. Probably how they did like this kind of spellcasting animations on like Super Nintendo or something. Mode 7. Just add some rotation and animation, it's probably okay. GPU particles. Hello. Let me actually enable the chat thing here. Give me a second. Right. And there we go. Okay. So I'm just chilling and trying to get work done. That's the main thing, I guess. If you have any like good chat topics, then feel free to share. I don't have a whole lot. I've just been so preoccupied by work. I can show out there like what I have at some point, but for now, let's try to get this intro animation done. That is the plan. This will definitely need a script. Oh, it's this button. Script. Just needs the animation player, I guess. It needs like an export variable to control the animation. I'll just do this just safely, just in case. When you have the tool script, it's better to be safe than sorry. But the object testing, like there's the thing that like when the game starts, like it loads the level, like it doesn't exist, so there might be one frame like where the animation player isn't ready yet. Better just play it safe. That's what I like doing. And it's synchronized in multiple places basically. And ready in case like this does nothing because the node isn't ready. Like especially with the export variables, like the game can set the variable before the node is ready. So then like that thing will go to waste. Would it be nice if there were like some kind of like nicer thing, like export on ready or something like that. But well, it's no big deal. I like coding anyway. Alright, now we should be able to control the animations. Do I have like this? Snowflake that PNG will probably work. Add material. I like the particle thing, but there are some things that are really hard to do with like snowing, which is currently disabled in the level. It's kinda there, but I probably have to come up with something else than doing it with particles. It's easy for smaller levels, but the game is one huge level, so it's hard to spawn the particles in a sensible way. Alright. Probably no gravity because I want it to come from the center. With acceleration. This can probably be all random. Position. It's safe to start them all from the center, I guess. Velocity. Something like this, then make them smaller. So that it's easy to tell the right size should be. Like 0.25, maybe 0.75. Make the velocity somewhat like constant. It would be kind of nice to have like the kind of thing where they like accelerate from the center. It's probably animated velocity. It's like this. Not sure like how this even works. This is probably overkill. It's just like one curve that shows like how fast it goes. Maybe velocity limit. I never tried this, but it would be interesting to try, I guess. But that's trippy for sure. What does it say about the defines the maximum velocity of a particle during its lifetime? In what units? Probably in pixels because they aren't moving at all. Well, let's try it. Yep, I guess that's how it is. I think this allows me to do what I wanted to do. Just need to tune it a little bit. Okay, I kinda like it. Just need more particles. No idea why it's doing like that kind of like trippy thing. Color curves. Color ramp is the thing I usually use. Make it start. Ideally start transparent and not be transparent at the middle. I don't know why it's glitching though. Really awkward. It probably has something to do with this. Maybe like somehow. I don't know, it doesn't make sense though. Nope. I doubt it's like a precision issue or anything either. Well, we can reduce the lifetime of the particles now. Maybe I could make them just slower, then it wouldn't be as bad. Maybe this is like a multiplayer or something. It could be a thing. Alright, because this is so high up, it's possible to change it anymore. I don't know, like if it can be a multiplier. Like if you increase this. Okay, well, let's just get rid of it for now. Probably fine like this anyway. Maybe it's also doable with like normal acceleration. That would be linear, I guess. Like if I set that really low, then give them a lot of acceleration. Kinda achieve the same thing, I guess. It's really hard to say like what these sometimes do. At least it's not glitching. mostly it is just still like the velocity. Probably set the velocity to none first. These have like no documentation either. That's kinda rare for Godot. Like it's linear acceleration, but what is the direction? I guess it has like just up direction. Maybe it's the direction of the particle itself. That you can set it at spawn. It's probably just angle. These all look like the same direction, so I don't quite understand like what is the point then. There's probably some way to do this, but I don't know how. Like this kind of effects, like it's a little tricky to do the particle effect. Like the slow effect is simple enough, but my concern is like how many particles you need. Like, this probably is easy to do too if you just know like how the direction works. This should be like the rotation basically. Like maybe if you make like an angle curve, then you can like change the angle, like slightly change it, and then like one of the accelerations or velocity as well will make it curve a little bit. That would be neat. There is also the orbit velocity, but what does that do? Oh, well that works I guess, but it needs to have like some linear velocity at the bay. That would be very fancy though. It's kinda magical looking at least, so it's getting somewhere. Just need to make it a little less wild. Okay. Now it's like curving a little bit, which is what I want. Kinda hard to tell how it will look like in game without actually testing, because the pixel art thing will change how it looks. I have the feeling that this might be too big, or I could use just a smaller particle image. Need to reduce the velocity a little bit. Let's make it slower and give them more lifetime. That would work too. But then it's not so dizzyingly fast. increase the number of particles. Okay, not great exactly. Probably too much. It's somehow like glitching though. Occasionally. Set this. You don't want too much of this, I guess. Hello. Struggling with the particle animations. Probably just like need to get the velocities right somehow. But this wouldn't be too bad. I could give it like a size curve, like maybe that's what it needs. Like they need to start smaller and then get bigger. That's probably the issue. Want to look it like a little bit like some kind of space thingy. But if they start big, then it's the opposite of how it would look. Where was the size thing again? Probably not spawn. Could be display, I guess. It's probably scale or curve will do it. This will make them start small. Yeah, that's more like it. I don't like white jitters sometimes, but it probably doesn't matter. Like maybe it's something like the shader has some kind of timer thing that it needs to reset so that the precision doesn't go wrong. Could be something like that. So it will be on screen like a few seconds, so probably shouldn't mind it too much. Okay, so if I make the start size maybe 0.4, 0.4, not 4. Oh. Alright, I guess we have to see how it looks in game. What the pixel size is. Given that the particles will be multiple pixels big. But maybe it doesn't matter. Like if I give the placeholder blue thing some kind of animation too. And make the particles not white, that would also help, I guess. Then it might work out. Oh, let's try, I guess. It should be there, because nothing is modifying it as long as it has the right start animation. not too bad, I guess, but it's still kind of weird. Like some of the particles start really big for some reason. It's going to the right direction. But one thing is to not make it white. Make it a little bluish. Then it will be like winter themed enough. I guess like if I make the background thing like swirly in some way, I think Krita. Let me see. Make it rooted or something. A little bit annoying though. That's like Krita have a smudge tool or something. Really use anything like that. Smart patch too. Probably all of them are somewhere. I'll just do it manually, I guess. This is the idea. Maybe like some of the texture process could work to help with this. Something like this, though I have no idea how this actually looks. I guess maybe. Yes, maybe it makes it look less even at least. Just a little bit chunky to control. Good work. Okay. The idea is right. Maybe I should have used this to erase this instead of the airbrush duo. Yeah, I guess that's the play. Make something a little more subtle inside. Extra thing is here. A little bit uneven in some ways. Might have to even it a little bit with the airbrush still. But going too far out might look weird. Alright. Yeah, that will probably help. Might need color, but well. Alright, let's see. possible to just rotate it during the casting here. Like the particles need to scale too. But it's probably possible. I don't know if it starts fast enough. But particles just don't emit at the beginning. It might work too. Come on, trace. I need 0 at the start. 1 here. Oh, that's not 1. Yeah. It can probably ramp up way faster. We want this like maybe 7 seconds longer or something. Might be overkill, but we'll see. There's a little bit of a problem though. Because this needs to be in front of the characters. Like behind characters, but in front of the level. But the level is in front of the characters, so I would have to modify the index of the characters. Which is doable, I guess. If I go to the cutscene editor. It's probably doable. I can just give them extra offset. Ordering. Well, that will work, I guess. Set it at 0 until they have reached the position where it matters. It would be like here, I guess. Let's double check that it works. Yep, it does. Yuri gets the same treatment. I guess to start. Like, nice thing about the animation player is that you don't need to like code these things manually. Well, it is a cutscene, so it doesn't feel like. So I guess I'll have to remember to actually set them back to 0 too. Otherwise, they will get it after the animation ends. Let's make sure to do that. Alright. And the portal is here, so it should be possible to just give it the cast animation. Also, it's just hidden the other animation. Oh yeah, this is also a thing. Oh, it is empty. Right, these all need to inherit from entity 2, I guess. Okay, that should fix the errors. Well, probably at this rate I'll only get the intro done. Also, my mouse needs new batteries, so give me a second. Yes, this battery is no good. Some of the rechargeable batteries. No idea, maybe they are too old. Maybe I should just get newer, like they are years old. But it's kind of a shame. Okay, this is good. Alright. Back to the animation editor. Let me double check the animations. Cast and hidden. Hidden doesn't have the particle stop thingy amount ratio. That's why it doesn't apply in the editor. Just try to get them. It's probably actually a pretty decent timing too. Copy this here so that it's easier to test. Don't need to replay the whole thing. Maybe a little bit too fast considering that we very well need to do some kind of gestures. See, index is probably fine there. It's like here, then like if the fairy did some gestures. I guess it would kind of work, I guess. Move this a little bit and then... is where like the fade happens. Even though it is pixel art, like you can scale the sprites and rotate them, it might be a little bit considering how they are done. They aren't exactly designed for that. Ah, not you. Let's see. Yeah, they rotate around that, which is kinda awkward, but oh well. Can probably work around it somehow. I just set the rotation like full circle. Put her at the middle of the vortex. Same for the fairy. Full circle. I'm not sure what the right rotation direction is. Like it would be nice to match this, but oh well. Same size. Set the rotation to 0 first, otherwise it will be awkward. Same for the scale. I guess I didn't even set this. I didn't record this scale, did I? Oh, that's girl. Girl who didn't get it. There we go. It will probably look a little pixelated, but I don't think it matters that much. Because it happens fast. Let's see what happens. Why not like that? It will be chunky because the axis of rotation, or like the pivot point or whatever it is called, is at the feet, so it will be a lot of tinkering with the positions to make it look anywhere near good. But let's start easy. Position like this, then actually, yeah. Wonder if I can abuse this. Oh, I can. Unintended, but it will work. Abuse the like shift thingy that I have coded for the sprites. Set the original rotation closer to the center of the character. How to be somehow like gradual. Mostly I intended the shifting, like if there is like an easier. But if there are like cutscenes that will be easier to animate with that kind of values instead of the position, but it seems that mostly it is the position. Okay, it's doable this way. It's way better than setting like a million points on the timeline. Girl has the same thing. I'll do it on this side so I can actually see. Maybe like 14 or something. Okay. Now it will be easier to animate. Just need to set the positions a couple of times. One thing I wish were the case is that you could change like this, like interpolation mode, like mid-animation. That is not doable as far as I know. Alright, so let's work on the positions now. Really hard to see because the offset has reset. Like this. Duplicate this one time so that it's actually easier to test. But the rotation, the rate of rotation does not match, and I think probably the thing that is wrong is the direction of the rotation. I set it to other direction. It will look better at least. Still very chunky. How much would it ruin the like beginning if I set it to cubic? It doesn't look great. Like this part would be great with cubic, but you don't want the cubic interpolate the beginning, sadly. Like there will be these unnecessary movements caused by it. Like cubic makes it smooth, but or maybe like that jump isn't like that bad, but this, like, what is this? I don't think cubic is to play. Just need more positions. I keep selecting the wrong things. It's more like here. I make the offset change like faster. It seems to be safe. Like, the problem is that she doesn't go like up enough. It looks like this, but it should look like this. Like this is the problem, I guess. A little annoying that it doesn't like overwrite the node in the animation. Probably just deleted the wrong one. No. It would be nice if you could close these two. They are distracting me a little bit. So much to see there. It'll probably also be like this node. More to the right. Okay, it's kinda getting there. I thought I had the girl selected, but oh. It starts to fade at some point, so it doesn't matter if the end is janky. Another problem is this point, I guess. It's minus like 6 pixels or something. This is why it is like fully dark already. Move this there and then somehow I have to match the rotation to the position too. Let's see. This can basically be almost whatever, as long as it's about right. Was probably fine with the fader there. And the Fury needs the same thing. There's probably no easy way out, just doing it. Let me see, I can change the girl's animation. Might also be a way to just do this basically. Would be kinda neat, I guess. Can like make the barrel like that's there and then set like one of the movement ability animations. Would be nice. I do like it. Seems like a good idea. Also like this will be a thing, kind of implication that need to make the basically move the fairy so that this position is right then hide her. That is the plan. In other words, it isn't first, I guess. This will make this considerably less work too. Position. Position isn't quite right. These need to be exactly aligned because otherwise it will be weird. Seeing the fairy duplicated. Animation. Hide. Alright. It's a little chunky, but overall I played from about the beginning. The beginning will be weird because the animation player how it works, but now it's back to normal. And then like if the thingy just keeps rotating, it's probably good. Back to the portal work. I guess the portal could have a light too. Point light. I think the fairy had a light. I'll put it here. Like this will also like scale. Not enabled in the hidden state, so no resources wasted, I guess. The lighting has been like a little bit of a pain. I'm not sure like if there is a better way to do it, like the map lighting. Like the last time I tried to do like this kind of game, like dark environments, I used the point light. But at least back then, like the web version, like the point lights didn't exactly work. Like they did work up to some point, but spamming too much of them, there seemed to be issues. Enable it then. Energy the 1 here and 0 here. Oh, I guess the energy affects the background too, which might be something that needs to be adjusted. I have no idea if there is an easy way out though, other than adjusting the color. Another thing is, can you make it rotate more than this? Can you input like really huge number here? Okay, you can. You can't like move the slider, but want the scale to keep increasing, but slowly. Well, I guess it's not too great if it's that. Or this could be it, I guess. I could just set it here. But this is also finicky because the 7 seconds is pretty long to match perfectly. Oh well. Why is it complaining about that? It is here though. Why is it complaining? Animation. Yep, no idea. It is getting really big, but it's probably actually good. As long as the timing is right. Let's see. It's a little bit too fast how big it gets, I guess. This can probably be fixed with just this. How about now? I do like that it gets bigger, like shinier. The particle thing happens too slowly, I guess. Let me check again. I guess like it's not like when it starts, but the disparity is that the vortex is rotating fast but the particles aren't. In other words, let's take the easy way out and just make the vortex slower. Let's check it here. But it looks kinda nice when it is fast. It might be possible to basically duplicate this. Like set the modulate thing to half for both, and then have two that rotate at the different speeds. Could be a fancy effect. Let's see. Yeah. Guess the scale will be the same. something like this. Both of them probably need to have the same. Like rotation speed will be the different thing. The other one isn't rotating for now at all. I guess the sizes could be different too. Strategy this. Then rotation for this too. I guess it might work. Like it's harder to see like what the like one sprite looks like. It looks more organic or something, even though it is just same thing twice. Right there. Transparency issue though. Need to hide the other one here. It's just this. A technical position too, but the position isn't even animated, so it's kinda unneeded actually. Oh. Okay, let's see. One of them needs to be more opaque though. It doesn't adapt to like full transparency when both of them are half. Maybe both just need to be like this basically. That does something, but it might be too much. Or maybe not. Maybe, I'm not sure, but we'll see, I guess. It's had the project running all this time without realizing, I guess. Doesn't matter too much. If I have time, I might draw some kind of CG at the very beginning. But that is a big if. Oh, got to reset the size too. Kinda works, but it might be better if the fade happens during the whole thing. Because it would be technically better if they spun way more than one circle would go well. If I have time, I'll make it better, but the concept is there at least. So, getting something working is the most important thing in game jams. Polish can come later, but if you never get that far, then well, want something to play at least. Maybe when the thing fades, I want to disable the portal so that it doesn't stay there and waste resources. Then the other end. It's all the way here. This is the position, like end position. It needs to be earlier, or maybe the fade can't be longer actually. Can probably be longer for something like that. Also reset the sizes of the characters and the rotations. I guess the rotation well, very reset this too, I guess. I need to keep it long enough for animation to work. Something like that. Reset this. Reset this for just because. Rotation, scale. Same for the girl. Rotation, scale. I need to draw like some kind of like being unconscious animation for her, I guess. Or maybe there's actually a way to do it with the placeholder thing for now. Like be lazy. Didn't reset the rotation. Can you actually see? Well, that would kinda work, I guess, in a way. Move her up like not that much. It's kinda janky, but economical. I guess it works. Need to just move this here. same for this. Then the fade ends here. Duplicate this like this far. Guess we want make the fade shorter and then make this longer. Make her stay on the floor for like 2 seconds or something. Duplicate the position. Here. Would it be nice to have a transition, but well, for now this should be good enough. Yeah. They want her to like have like a sweat bubble kind of the Sims communication. This is the like way the bubble thing works. Let me make a new one. Duplicate, sweat. A little bit thick, I guess. Like this, I guess. The build mode is a little weirder. Probably needs to be on that side instead. Maybe good. No idea. Oh well. Probably easy enough to tell what it is for now. Might need shading, but oh well. Then the bubble needed animation for everything. Duplicate this. Use it here. Did I have like any rant topics that I wanted to talk about? I guess there's one thing actually. Like, you know, like sometime in the past, like when I was making Rose's replica, I used to keep like track of my working hours, like write down each day in the spreadsheet, like how many hours I worked. which, well, it makes you work hard, but it is also super stressful. So I decided to stop doing that, instead just like work enough, which seems to work for me because I'm a workaholic anyway. It's basically the same thing, but without the stress. So that is a thing. But it's not like always that great. At least like recently, like when I have been working on this game, like you kinda get like this paralysis, like there are too many things you need to do. Like that kind of thing. And you don't know like what you need to tackle first. It feels like it's just hopeless. There's so much. So tried out a different thing. Like basically, yeah. Like not like task like hours or anything. I don't mind like how many hours you work, but basically I made myself like a schedule, which is very unheard of because I'm a very chaotic person. Like usually schedules make me stressed too. And I try to make it like more low key, like this is the plan, like you have like these tasks that might be good to work on like each day of the week basically. And then like well, I tried to do it because I was so paralyzed that I needed like some kind of guideline. Like don't think like how hopeless game is, just like there's one day you need to think about like a couple of tasks and you can do that, like that kind of thing, to like get myself functional again. Surprisingly, it did work. It's kind of weird because I'm really chaotic. So usually the schedule thing, like it can make me like downward spiral too, in a way. Like if you put like too many tasks on one day and like it's like a strict thing, like okay, you got to do this or else. Then like if you fail it, then you're like, well, I'm a failure, I can't do this anymore, that kind of thing. But it seems that when it's more like low committal, like you just do them if you can, and if you can't then you move them later, like that kind of thing. It seemed to actually work for me in the case of this project. Which is good because otherwise this wouldn't be a game if I weren't functional. But like maybe it's just specific to like when there is too much to do. But it's a new thing in the toolset at least. Like if I feel that same thing is happening, I can do it, I guess. I think I want a snowflake emoji for them too. Like being like your own boss, it's just kind of weird in some ways. Like you know that you like the job basically, but it's also like it's difficult. Like you need to like game yourself in a weird way sometimes. I don't know, like it doesn't feel bad exactly, like you just have to accept it. You need to generate motivation somehow. I guess it would be kinda like, it could be abusive if it were like, oh, other kind of like employment situation, like your boss like trying to play mind games on you to make you work hard. Another thing is that, oh, it's winter here. Like it's snowy, well, to a degree at least. Like some years, I guess like now it's like more like retro kinda year because there is snow at this time of year. But like recent years, no, like you get snow for Christmas basically, and that's the earliest. Now it's kinda early. I like it. I don't know, like in the past I haven't really thought like what season I liked like too much. Like my choice would have been, I don't know, spring probably. Something like that. I don't know, maybe I just like winter the most. I like the vibes. But this doesn't look snowflakey enough for some reason. Winter is just great when you stay inside. Occasionally it's fun to go outside too. When it's not too cold. It looks too dense. Yes, that's the issue. That would make it more circular at least, but okay, maybe it helps. This kind of pixel art things are also a little tricky. Like one pixel can mean so much. It would be nice to have like 2 pixels of gap there, but I don't think there is like enough space to do it. Maybe there is just barely somehow. I would think. No, that doesn't work either, so I guess we'll just have to settle for this somehow. Maybe there's a way to make it better with more colors. Sold on this either. This kind of way to make the sides more distinct. I don't know, maybe it could work with the right colors. Might not be that bad actually. Maybe. That's quite. I'm not sold on this either. Make a group player for now and test different things. Always easy to go back. Maybe there's some kind of way to blend them, but it's kinda closer. I would erase these ones. There would be like more space, I guess. Technically, yes, I guess. It looks a little chunky then. Something like this would give it more space. I guess you would have like enough space for the dark outlines too. Just looks uneven. I don't know, maybe this would somehow work. Adjust it like this. So finicky like the. I don't want to make the bubble bigger. It will be a recipe for disasters. Got to make it work somehow. This. Okay, let's try this, I guess. Merge group. Go back to the bubble and the animation. Like these kind of things would be nice to animate in a bigger project, but it's not worth it for this. Okay, back to the cutscene. Or did I leave the other ones hidden? Oh, I did. That explains why nothing showed. Here we go. That's very. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It is a little up, but it feels like it could be right. to try to fix it somehow. Maybe like these lighter things are a mistake. It just needs 2 colors and like the dark ones need 2. Need to somehow make it look right. I guess there's an option just... but I don't like it. Maybe it will look fine enough. Just this. Just be quick and dirty to see how it looks. It look different in game too with the shader. And then is there like a way to actually do this? If I do it like this, there might be more room for them. I don't know about that either. Yeah, maybe it's unnecessary in the end. Now this one side is longer. In the end, I guess there is like no easy solution to do this. The style of the icons gets too different. There might be the option to just I guess like ultimately it doesn't help too much. Well, let's try with the basic one then. If I get super inspired, I will fix it, but yeah, maybe it's like easy enough to understand, like it's a little vague. But given like the style of the other icons, I don't think you can make it too much better. Don't want to stray from the style. Yep, like all of these cutscenes are like a minute. That's how it goes. Basically, after that, you will need like a couple more seconds with animation. Maybe it's actually a little bit too much, but let's see. That we want her, I guess, to do at the door. Bit after that, the girl will start to walk, and then the player's turn to actually play. Not like this. I think the timings are probably off. Still not that bad. Maybe just a tiny bit. Duplicate this here so it's easier to test. Okay. Mind these two. Maybe it's a little bit too big of a jump. Well, 54.5, I guess. Very one more thing. What is the alphabetical order? Oh, this one makes it easier to see. Very this right at the beginning. But that's like these still aren't alphabetical, which is kind of weird, but overall. I need to manually make sure that the cutscene stop thing for the fairies right before the end, because otherwise she will never recover from the cutscene. There is no mechanic for that. Alright, let me delete the save file and let's try it. Let's see if anything went wrong. Oh, the position is wrong, at least. It's the offset. Alright, let's fix that. Yep. Insert key. That explains it. I'll just insert the keys to the beginning, just for the sake of completeness. This needs to be here. Duplicate these. Make sure they are right. Yeah, making these cutscenes is kinda slow. It was the same with Cat Girl RPG 2, so which I'll be making cutscenes for after I'm done with this game. It just got way longer than I thought, but well, I think it's going to be a worthwhile game, hopefully. I need to learn to actually make small games, but it's just hard these days. Like it's hard to have like an idea that can tell like a good story in a really short time. Also, like when I look at my older games, like I can kinda see that rushing the games doesn't make them justice or do them justice. Not that like the games are bad, but like especially when I look at the graphics of the other games like Ghost Suite Saga or something like that, it could be better. That game, like it doesn't have like awful graphics, but I still feel that I could have done better. At least now I could do better for sure. Maybe I'll remake it at some point if I have time ever. Okay, let's retry. Now the position is better at least. Flower heart. The fall is a little floaty. Okay, not bad actually. Could be a little slower, but well. Oh, the jump. Need to align that better, but well. Maybe like the like snow part just needs to be wider, like more white. Okay, but the position is really good, like the fairy doesn't jump at all. Now we are here. And like the only way to go is down. I'll need to like add like more like lighting things to the map still. But it's work in progress. Like this area is better. Are the glowy crystals. Okay. Well, I guess we have like kind of working intro at least now. Took like 2 hours or something. Let me see here. I guess I can do like a little bit of like one coding task, I guess. Like that's more or less what I have. Alright, so let's see. I'll load this. I press escape. I can open the menu, but even if I spam the escape, I can't close it because that's not implemented. Let's figure out what is the deal with that. Probably in main. This game has like a lot of state machines, but I guess I'm kind of blocking it. Like every like screen is state machine, like ability gain, or the credits screen and stuff. The characters have a ton of states too. Oh. That aside, main. Not main, maybe it's play screen or something that opens it. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's here. I guess we just copy this. That will probably do it. Go to the escape menu. Put it right here, then probably activated, I guess. I guess I can just call this too. Okay, so now should be able to close the escape menu with escape. There we go. Let me try with gamepad too. I guess the gamepad isn't working at all, but it might just be the gamepad being weird instead of the game. Oh wow, the gamepad has been weird today. I'll figure it out later, not the biggest deal. But the remaining tasks are probably too big for streaming, so I guess I might want to call it a day. I could do another development stream like next week or something. This has been fun. And I always keep saying that I should do more of these, but well, you need to have the game at like a certain stage. If it's just like coding without anything you can see, like a progress or stuff, then it's kinda hard to stream it. Also, like if it is like too blank state still, it's just like there's too much pressure to actually come up with something functional quick. Well, I guess it was kinda like, well, I definitely didn't get the intro made quick, but well, like yeah, it is what it is. They are slow to make. Oh wow. But it was great. The game is still, there's still so much to do, but I'll get it done somehow. Hopefully for the Yuri Jam deadline, but if not, then at least for the holidays, I'll get it done somehow. But it's not too far, like I do have a backup plan. If I can't get the last segment done, like I can, like, well, cut content for now and do the like last part as an extra thingy. Oh well, we'll see. I'll try to get it done either way. Yep. Well, thank you for watching. See you next week, I guess. Bye bye.